So today video card is a little bit different. If you hear me echo, it's because I move things around. Well, going up on is up, you guys. Welcome back to everything Empo. My there, man. Alright, hope the lighting good and thing. I don't do vlogging because I take my family very, very serious. Now when you know what triggers you, you tend to keep away from it. Anyway, my kids them they're into it, so I'm not gonna put them on. You understand? And I can't do it. It's so triggering for me to say people don't know how to keep kids out and everything then pick around. So prevent better than cure. But anyway, I am cleaning, and if you can look right here, this is the entrance to my apartment, which is a hallway. So once you come in, it leads you right into the kitchen, and every Sunday is really a reset for me. So if you like videos like this, so I'm gonna get into just look here and there. I'm gonna do all for the vlogs that I like to zoom out and them stuff. I'm gonna have time for that, but this I'm mostly talking, and I'll show one and two things. So while I was cleaning, and also let me share this with you guys. So if you are cleaning your house and you're wondering, yeah, clean, but there is a scent, like what it smell like, whether it's grease, some farmer, whether the fish, chicken, shrimp, anything, yeah, for some reason the kitchen area works. If you have an open layout, you wonder, you know the place clean, but there is this distinct scent. Especially if you're a clean person like me, you know a certain scent, like, yeah man, the house clean, but I can't accept me and don't know what it is. Your wall. Believe you me, the food goes into the wall. So every Sunday I deep clean my walls. It might sound like a drip shit, but it's really not, cause I'm like, when I open my door and the house smell like house. It don't smell like, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you what I mean. And oh, if you never know, I have identical twins, and these bags, them have it from them in a 5th grade, and they're currently in high school. They are not into bags, thank God for Jesus. So every 6 weeks I wash them bag. But if you can say, look, wear and tear, yeah my love, see there's something I feed out every 6 weeks. I have a washing brush, go up in the tub, wash it in the tub, and then I throw it at the machine, and the machine get a next spin, and then I carry it outside. I buy one of the little line them off the little something we hang up on. I build one in my backyard, come here, Caribbean girl, Jamaican, and I make them dry. So look up here. So can you see? I don't know if you're able to see the light now. I say look a black something there, like the dust and the. When you can't see me, not sure if you can see. I'm gonna change around here, so, and the reason I put their book back there is because kids, them normally sometimes them that come down from upstairs. How would you believe them eat them breakfast and thing and run gone to school, and then the school have to call me like, they sure put out their book bags. I'm have to drive go up them. I don't have time for that. So I put it at the door, so you have to see it before you go through the door. But anyway, I'm sure I'm gonna do. Use a cleaning pot over you want to use. I love this, especially for bathroom. Every shower I have to use this, but I spray this up there and let it stay for, because it's heavy on the bleach. Like it stay for probably one to 2 minutes. Just let it stay up there. Because if you make it stay too long, then the painting start changing and it have a little stain, like you can't see lines. So you don't want it to sit too long. So I use this, and because it is heavy on the bleach, I can turn over. Then it's that I'm going with this. This is the method of purpose. So it cut grease and grime. Or if I'm gonna use that, then I use this, which is the Odor ban in lavender. So right here, so you know, smell too heavy from bleach. And then there is a plug-in right here. So I just use the plug-in and then it flows. I'm gonna figure that out because like I'm gonna clean. So my mother teach me to clean. When I clean, I have to change everything. The people them son always come and him always say, my God, every time I come to a new house, I can't just sweep around things. The couch gonna move from this and go this, so this, that, and I'm very seasonal. So I'm currently take down the curtain them and something and wash them. Because I'm gonna buy wait there, I'm gonna show you. First I got the long curtain. I rotate between curtain for my kitchen. First I have the long curtain, but then I this smell go up, so I feel a little bit appleish. So I do this. So I go between this as a curtain, or I'm using as a traditional long current, like probably they're using your living room, rotate between those two for the kitchen, but this is what I'm feeling. And I have double windows in my kitchen, so two of this, and then everything else I go run it with red. Another tip is don't make nobody force enough going I want to know I'm going to. You understand? My boys, like I said, they're not into bag. You know what they like? And like I said, my identical twin and them figure it out. So eat them weigh even down to the same pound. But we don't want to look a small joke. Sometimes when the little girl then come knock my door, because they're my teen. I mean I'm a teenager. I'm not talking 13, I'm a teenager. So they come and they knock the door and them ask one. The next one will come down, I'm gonna trouble it. I'm son of me, I look at me and say, she don't realize another twin that she for come outside. So they figure it out and then do the thing. But me tell them say, yo, make sure. We never go into that. But anyway, if I don't buy Hanes, I buy the Good Times or Walmart. This. So that brand here. You see the price? Them plain t-shirt here. I buy these and I have a Cricut. I'm also have a HTV printer. Anyone more I use the one I can the automatically machine one I can push under, or I have the one I use them on. What them do now, cause them have them like an iPad, then go online and them send come give me what them want me print from it. If I not print a picture, them will even print a scene. It will even go as which twin am I? And you know, look some little cute funny saying that them own individuality. Because them always come and complain and say, my God, why would we go to school? Everybody in the same thing. So I like that about them. Them like them own individuality and them always get compliment on it. Or even them friend will say, yo, can your mom whatever repair? But drunk with them now do that. Who say drunk with me not the body, just a Caribbean thing. But yeah, that me want for sharing this me clean and thing and just to look into if right here, look at kitchen area. If never smell or whatever, it's the walls. Look into the wall. I see right there, so look here. So when you come through my door, but that's right there, so home rules. If you sleep on it, make it up. If you wear it, hang it up. If you drop it, pick it up. If you step on it, wipe it off. If you eat out of it, wash it. If you open it, close it. If you empty it, fill it up. If it rings, answer it. If it howls, feed it. If it cries, love it. You understand? So yeah, that we did really want to share with us. If you don't want like a hint, so I thought about me to know how to zoom back, and if you're wondering, like me say, to the ring light. My girl, I deal with it just like everybody. If you're wondering what that is, it's not a vacuum. That is a steamer. I actually steam my floor. So yeah, me talk long enough for me going back and do a me do and thing. And I'll catch you guys until the next video.